Article 311, theft of the property of the National Library and National Museum. 312, Article 312, occupation of the real property or usurpation of the real rights in property. Article 313, altering boundaries and landmarks. Article 14, fraudulent insolvency. Article 314, fraudulent insolvency. Article 315, swindling or estafa. Article 316, other forms of swindling. Article 317, swindling a minor. Article 18, other deceits. Article 19, removal, sale, or pledge or mortgage property. Article 320, destructive arson. Article 321, other forms of arson. Article 322, cases of arson not intended, cases of arson not included in the preceding article. 323, arson of property of small value. 324, crimes involving destruction. 325, Article 325, burning one's property as to means to commit arson. Article 326, setting part of property exclusively owned by the offender. 326, in cases where death. 326A, in cases where death resulted as a consequence of arson. Article 326B, prima facie evidence of arson. Article 327, who are liable for malicious mischief. Article 328, special cases of malicious mischief. 329, other mischief. 330, damage of destruction to means of communication. Article 321, destroying or damaging statues, public monuments, or painting. Article 332, persons exempt from criminal liability.